Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am making a boxwood backdrop with draping. I'm trying to take you in so you can see how I snap them together, and I'm going to show you how I snap the pieces. Now, I wasn't able to do this throughout, but it has like these little tabs as you can see in the video, and I'm snapping those together. And then you probably see some zip ties. Those are the places where it didn't snap together too well. To add the crossbar, I use larger zip ties. So now I'm loading my drapes on. I'm sticking with the lavender, the pink, and the baby blue because I'm trying to do another spring look. And I do have some more spring backdrop ideas coming. So I'm just loading the drapes. I try not to load too many this time. Now I'm measuring to make sure all my colors are even. So just going side to side, adding my pole covers on. Now I'm getting ready to lift it. As I'm lifting it, you will notice that it's not touching the floor. So I actually had to take a column off, and now I'm snapping or adding that column to the bottom of the grass wall. So that's what I'm doing right now in the back. It was very, very difficult to do this, but I was able to get it done. So I used a total of 15 of those grass panels. It's about, let's say, close to 8 feet tall and about, I don't know, like 4 to 5 feet wide. So I'm just swagging my fabric, as you can see. It was kind of difficult to have it even. I was looking for my measuring tape. I could not find it at all. And I was just going to measure from, just to make sure it was even, I was going to measure from the floor on up. So I had to just constantly keep stepping back and adjusting it. Like right now you can see it's higher up on that side. So I'm adjusting. I added the sequin napkin as my tie backs on the poles. And then because my boxwood grass wall was not as wide, I had to make sure I add some panels to that base layer. I'm very happy with the outcome. I think it really turned out nicely. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.